Hello students, how are you? Take care of yourself during COVID-19. Students, I am Vinay Kumar Singh, lecturer English at Sardar Patel Inter College Chargaon. In this video, I am going to teach you about compound sentences. We are going to study synthesis. We'll learn the combination of two or more than two simple sentences into a compound sentence. Students, we should know that to make a compound sentence, we use coordinating conjunctions. With the help of coordinated conjunctions, we can combine two or more than two simple sentences into a compound sentence. So let's understand what are compound sentences and what are coordinating conjunctions. So let's start. Compound sentence. As I told you, compound sentences are made with the help of coordinating conjunctions. And these coordinating conjunctions are divided under four heads. First one is cumulative. Cumulative conjunctions. We call these conjunctions in Hindi जोड़ बताने वाले. These conjunctions are and, as well as, both add, both and, not only, but also. Okay, we use these conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, to make a compound sentence. We can combine two or more than two simple sentences using these conjunctions. Let's see how can we make it. Okay, let's see. He was marked absent. He was punished also. He was not only marked absent but also punished. Okay. Now we have combined these two simple sentences into a compound sentence by using coordinating conjunction not only but are. We can combine it in another way or using another coordinate conjunction. He was marked absent as well as punished. Okay. Now come to the next sentence. Ramu bought a ball. He bought a pen also. Ram bought not only a ball but also a pen. Let's see another example. Another kind of coordinating conjunction. Alternative. Alternative conjunction. Alternative means विकल्प बताने वाले. Either or, neither, nor, or otherwise else. इसका प्रयोग उन वाक्यों में को जोड़ने के लिए होता है या उन साधारण वाक्यों को जोड़ करके एक कंपाउंड सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए जो जिनमें चॉइस होती है, जिसमें विकल्प होता है, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ करके बनाने के लिए होता है. लेट्स सी एग्जांपल्स. मेक हेस्ट, वी शैल मिस द ट्रेन. ओके. मेक haste or we shall miss the train. Let's see some more examples. Give me your bag. You will be shot dead. Either give me your bag or you will be shot dead. Okay, students, we used or either. Neither nor is negative. Let's see. This is, we have seen cumulative, coordinating conjunction, alternative conjunctions. Let's see another. If you want to take a screenshot, please take it. Okay, let me rough it. Students, we are learning to combine two simple sentences or more than two simple sentences into a compound sentence. Let's see another example. Example of conjunction. Adversative conjunctions. We should know these are coordinating conjunctions. Adversative coordinating conjunctions, okay? Because compound sentences are made with the help of coordinating conjunctions. So we should be very clear. We are writing here in very short, okay? Under adversative conjunctions, but, however, yet, okay, while, whereas, nevertheless, etc. etc. Conjunctions are used. इन कंजक्शंस का प्रयोग हम वहाँ करते हैं जहाँ दिए गए सेंटेंसेस में दो विरोधी बातें की जा रही हों, दो अलग अलग बातें हों, तो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में हम इनका प्रयोग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गांधी जी was lean and thin. He was bold. We find Gandhiji, on one hand, Gandhiji was very lean and thin, and on the other hand, we see he was very bold, he was very courageous. So these two things are opposite things, adversative things. So we use any one of these. Gandhiji was lean and thin, yet he was bold. Okay? He is rich, he is miser. धनवान है, miser. He should be generous, but he is miser. So these are opposite. So let's see. He is rich, but he is miser. Ankur is lazy. Ankur is lazy. He is intelligent. Ankur is lazy, but he is intelligent. We can use yet. We can use still. Okay? Still he is. Mohan is poor. He is generous. गरीब है, उदार है. Mohan is poor, still he is generous. Students, we should know it very clear that we use these coordinating conjunctions where there are two opposite things, different things. Okay, so we should know it very clear, we should know it very well. Okay, so now come to the another type of coordinating conjunctions. If you want to take a screenshot, please let me rough it. Students, we are going to read relative conjunctions. Relative means परिणाम बताने वाले. Relative coordinating conjunctions. Relative coordinating conjunction परिणाम बताने वाले. Okay. Therefore, so, hence. Okay. For. etc. etc. Therefore, इसलिए, so, इसलिए, hence, अतः, etc. Okay. See. Let's understand it. Let's be clear about the concept. He is the son of a professor. He is intelligent. He is the son of a professor. Therefore, he is intelligent. Okay, we can use so. He is the son of a professor. So he is intelligent. Okay, students, we can see some more examples. I cannot die in peace. I am a sinner. I am a sinner, so I cannot die in peace. Students, we should be very clear about these sentences. He failed in the exam, board exams. He was careless. Let's मेक अ सिंपल सेंटेंस। वह बोर्ड परीक्षा में फेल हो गया, वह लापरवाह था। ही वॉज केयरलेस, सो ही फेल्ड इन द बोर्ड एग्जाम्स। Okay, so we should be very clear. He was suffering from brain tumor, blood cancer. He died. Let's combine. He was suffering from blood cancer, therefore he died. We can use hence also. Okay, let's see some more examples. If you want to take screenshot, please. He got 80% marks in board exams. He was intelligent. He was intelligent, hence he got 80% marks in board exams. Students, I have taught you 4 types of coordinating conjunctions. Compound sentences are also made with the help of relative pronoun and relative adverbs. So let's see these exceptions also. Let me clear it. Relative pronouns and relative adverbs. Devdutt shot a swan. It fell on the floor. Devdutt shot a swan. which here which stands for and it, okay, fell on the floor. We can make compound sentence with the help of relative pronouns or and relative adverbs, and these are used in continuative sense. We use these relative pronouns or relative adverbs to make compound sentence in continuative sense. It must be clear, kept clear. Very good. You should be very clear about it. I met Mohan. He gave me a mobile phone. I met Mohan. Who? Here who has been used in the place of and he. Okay, you should be very clear. He gave me a mobile phone. Let's see another sentence. Ankur walked with me to the bus stop. We parted from there. Okay, let's combine. Ankur walked with me to the bus stop where stand for where and there we parted. Students, I think you will be quite clear about compound sentences, how we can combine two or more than two simple sentences into a compound sentence. Thanks. In next video, we'll learn how to combine two or then more simple sentences, more than two simple sentences into a complex one. Thank you.